And I can tell you that your friendly neighborhood weather team of myself and Garrett Beedenbaugh have signed up for the Polar Bear Plunge. And it's definitely even more of a plunge when temperatures are this cold. Let's talk about the weather right now. It has been a cold, cold day. SkyWatch SatRad, this is looping it over the last about 5 to 6 hours. Clouds, that's all we're dealing with. The moisture, that is out of here. But as we take a look at SkyWatch Doppler radar, there's nothing showing up on radar in the form of precipitation. That is good news, but we still have these winter weather advisories that are in effect with the counties that are shaded in purple. We talked last night that I expected the northern fringes of the viewing area, especially the northern tips of Fairfield County, Kershaw County, Newberry County, to get in a little bit on this action, and that's what we saw today. The reason we still have this winter weather advisory, though, for many of these locations is because temperatures that have been in the 20s throughout the day, especially in the upstate, they're going to slowly climb tonight, but still stay at or just below freezing. So bridges and overpasses, areas where the roadways were a problem today, will still be a problem tonight. That's why this goes until tomorrow morning now. The same with Charlotte, and as you continue to travel north into North Carolina and into, again, the northern fringes of the Midlands. While the city itself, you still want to be careful on a bridge and overpass. You heard Garrett talking about that just a little bit earlier in this newscast, how those take a little bit longer to warm up after you get an event like this. But the good news is things have finally quieted down on radar. Let's take a look at real-time numbers on the WeatherBug Network, and we're going to start with a tour of South and North Carolina and work our way down. 29 up in Chester right now after seeing a high of 29. That is actually happening right now as the numbers will slowly rise tonight with warmer air trying to punch in. UNC Charlotte at 26 degrees currently. The Charlotte Motor Speedway in Concord's at 25, 33 in Asheville at Estes Elementary School. Temperatures, again, slowly climbing during the overnight hours. I want to take you to Metro School in Charlotte where they did get some freezing rain and sleet. You can see those droplets sticking to the lens at times and actually freezing. Temperature around 25 degrees right now. The roads up there not in the best of shape in all locations, so please be careful if you have to travel that way this evening. Newberry at the airport, 30 degrees right now, a high today of 32. Saw some problems in Newberry as well, especially along the interstate. Want to show you the time lapse of our Opera House cameras. We look towards the clock tower, and if you look at the roofs, you can see some rain falling onto the roof, and it was the form of freezing rain. When you get those surfaces that are below freezing, the raindrops hit and usually freeze on contact, but it wasn't really problematic, again, compared to other locations that we were seeing a lot of problems. Now here at home, it's 31 at E.L. Wright Middle School. Batesburg checking in at 32 degrees at the SCANA site over in Lexington County. Ridgeway up in Fairfield County at 28 degrees right now at our SCANA site. And Heathwood Hall here in the city at 35 degrees. Again, these numbers will slowly rise tonight with that warmer air that is going to punch in. You can clearly see where it is. We have a southwesterly wind this evening. The greens indicating that warmer air that pushes in tonight. But again, the moisture is out, which is good news. And all of these advisories will be gone as we head towards lunchtime tomorrow, as the warmer air will continue to slide into the area. So tonight, we'll see a midnight low. I think actually about 34 in the city and closer to 37 to 38 degrees as you're waking up. Then we're into the 50s as we head into the afternoon hours tomorrow. Future Watch taking you to 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. The sky gradually clearing. By lunchtime, I think we'll see some sunshine out there. And then as we go into the afternoon and evening hours tomorrow, we're looking good with a clear to mostly clear sky. Up to 37 by 6 o'clock. It's a backwards night. Then tomorrow the numbers continuing to climb. We're at 58 for that high temperature. And then we'll drop back into the 30s with the clear sky going into late tomorrow evening. 7-day forecast. We get some mild numbers in there, Daryl, with temperatures back into the 70s. Another front, though, Wednesday night. Could even mean a rumble of thunder with it. But those temperatures on Thursday, as of now, I expect them to fall during the day. So that 60 will be a midnight high temperature. We're all over the place with the numbers right now. But to reassure everybody, nothing will fall from the sky for the rest of the evening. We're done with that. But as we've been saying all week, bridges and overpasses, please be careful. It may look dry, but there may be that one little slick spot on it. We want everyone to be safe tonight.
Yeah, and I know you were telling us earlier, if you do plan on traveling north anytime soon, maybe tomorrow afternoon might be the best time to go.
Wait till the afternoon, let that sun get out there, shine, help to melt some things. And as the cars get rolling on the road, the friction that the tires create, that helps to heat up the roadways as well. So obviously more traffic during the day. So if you can push it off, please do.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Yep.